So we already talked about this map being one of the parts that you need to try and grow your visibility in. We've talked about these traditional results down here. Again, another opportunity to grow visibility. But obviously the most prominent one, the one that appears at the very top, are ads. It's another great way to grow your visibility. And what ads do is you explicitly tell Google, hey, when somebody searches for Honda Dealer Toronto, I want to show up for that and I will pay to do so.
Yeah.
Everything else, all the other results that we talked about, you can't pay to show up in this map. You can't pay to show up in these listings down here. There's a variety of reasons why one might show up versus another. But for ads, you can won't show up 100% of the time, but you can, depending on your budget, show up 40% of the time, 60% of the time, 80% of the time for exact search terms that you prefer to show for, such as Honda Dealer Toronto.
And those are ones that you bid on.
Yes, every click of the ad will cost the business owner $3, $5, $6. It's an auction, essentially. They bid how much they're willing to pay for that click, and then they get charged that based off of the clicks that they receive on those ads.